Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about something that's actually really important when it comes to dealing with Sibo. And that is that there is a third type of Sibo that we don't usually hear about. So I'm sure you've heard all about the hydrogen and the methane gases that are picked up on the lactulose breath test. But what about hydrogen sulfide? That one's not picked up on the breath test, and it's actually a lot more common than we think. So some of the major pathogens that are usually involved with Sibo, like Campylobacter, Salmonella, or E. coli, these can produce hydrogen sulfide gas. So how do you know if they're causing a problem for you? Well, are you having sulfur or egg-smelling gas? Are you having diarrhea, constipation, or alternations of the two? Those might be a good indicator that you should look into whether or not this is an issue for you. So the way that we do that is we use microbiome testing, and I will use either BiomeSite, the Diagnostic Solutions GI Map, or Genova GIFX, depending on the person. And sometimes I actually will combine two of them because a single one doesn't pick up everything. If you would like to learn more, I would encourage you to hop on over to my website, check out my blog, my Instagram. I have a ton of information and resources in both those locations. So I hope this helps, and bye until next time.